Hello traders, and thanks for tuning in to this week's Market Outlook from Exness. I'm Michael Stark, Financial Concept Manager. In this video, I'm going to be looking at a potential idea for a trade over the next few days, the narratives that are driving that possible movement, and what traders who were to take the position would need to be aware of. But first, let's look back at the performance of last week's idea. Last week, the idea was a possible sell for the Australian dollar against the US dollar after an excessive reaction to the RBA's rate hike. The idea, unfortunately, was completely inaccurate, though it is possible that the price of Audust might move back down again. Now, for this week's idea, we're looking at the euro against the US dollar. Euro-dollar seems to have reached an important local resistance around 108 and slightly below that area, and it might move back down towards the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement. Now, there's not much scope for a very distant target here, but this position might have some potential in a technical movement. Now that summer has reached markets, generally there aren't any new narratives in the run-up to the meetings of the central banks, and we can see that in general, yields from bonds in Germany, which are here, and from the USA, which are here, are not moving very much in either direction. Then the technical movement is in focus. And the crucial releases coming this week are firstly the meeting of the Fed, which is happening on Wednesday night. It seems to be nearly certain that there won't be a hike. And there's the meeting of the European Central Bank, which is happening on Thursday. And in that case, it seems to be pretty much guaranteed that there will be a single hike. So it's very important to watch the press conferences to see how the participants in the market might react to these different releases. In summary, the idea for a potential position this week is a sell for euro dollar, and it might move down to the local support around the Fibonacci retracement. The main narratives that are driving that are technical. Now that summer has reached markets and there aren't any really clear new fundamental narratives ahead of the central banks, then it's the movement on the chart that's in focus. And the critical releases that traders are monitoring this week are the meeting and press conference of the Federal Open Market Committee and the meeting and press conference of the European Central Bank. Remember, this is just an idea for a trade. It's not a signal and it's not a guarantee of success. Always do your own research and manage risk.